You know what, guys? I'm so happy. Have you guys ever heard the phrase, everything happens for a reason? Well, everything happens for a reason. I'm gonna explain. I went out filming today. I had to refilm the parallel parking technique that I do not want, road testers to do. When you go out for your road test, do the parallel parking correctly. Do not do the one that I am about to upload in the next video. Let me, oh, okay, he's moving. So, I lost my, the reason I had to redo I had to refilm, I had to redo the videos again. I filmed the parallel parking technique that I don't want you guys to do on the road test. I filmed it one time, and I did it again for the second time because I was thinking I missed some things, so I did it again the second time. The second time I lost my GoPro footage, so I went out and did it again for the third time. This is like the third take, because I lost my GoPro footage from the second time. I always back up my videos. I have an external hard drive, put it there, drop them in there. But for some weird reason, I couldn't find my GoPro videos. So I said to myself, you know what? I'm gonna film it again. And I added some more things. So the third time's a charm. You know what they say, the third time's a charm. I got even better footage. And I have my little model of cars, so I can show you guys. It's actually behind my seat, but you will see it on the next video. After refilming and everything, getting all my new files in, I found my GoPro. I keep saying GoPro. I found my GoPro videos from the second time. So it's like I found them and now I don't need them. But guess what? I am going to include them in the new videos. At the end of the video, I'm going to include them. The files that I thought I lost. So I actually found them. They were in the media card of the GoPro that I forgot to back up or put them in my computer. They were all that time in the media card of the GoPro. Because when I went out filming, I went to retrieve or extract the videos that I went out filming today, and I found the old ones. They were still there. So it's like I went filming for no reason, but guess what? Not really. I got better footage for you guys. So I'm so happy, guys. And in the video you will see that I do explain, everything happens for a reason. Third time's a charm, and I am so happy, guys. So they're in the works. I just wanted to upload this real quick. And I did set up a poll. If you probably saw it, maybe not. The poll was, if you want me to upload the video of the parallel parking technique I don't want you guys to watch or to use on the road test. Guys, it's coming up next. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Later.